The simplest structure for bacterial cell walls are in gram-positive bacteria, which only have the bacterial membrane and then multiple layers of peptidoglycan. Here's an image from Wikipedia showing that the plasma membrane, only about 4 nanometers, and then multiple peptidoglycan layers, 20 to 100 nanometers. In other words, 5 to 20 times thicker. That forms a tough mesh and protective coat. Gram-positive bacteria have a very thin periplasmic space in comparison to gram-negative bacterium. The functions are not well known, but electron transport and some enzyme function are known for some bacteria. We'll talk a little bit about teichoic acid, which tethers the peptidoglycan layers to the membrane. Let me show you this in a sketch. So here's the plasma membrane, here's the inside of the cell, and I'll just show a couple phospholipids here. Then we have multiple layers of peptidoglycan. That more detailed structure I've shown you in another sketch. They are long chains of sugars. Darken the ones attached to these amino acid side chains, covalently linked. We could blow it up and show just a few. Here are the ones with the amino acid side chains and covalent bonds between them, forming this tough mesh. All of these are connected by covalent bonds. There's multiple layers, so out here would be the outermost layer of peptidoglycan, constantly being lost. The environment would have molecules that are harsh enough in most places to constantly be losing portions, and the bacterium would constantly be secreting new peptidoglycan as it grows, extending the peptidoglycan to match. This thick layer of peptidoglycan is protecting the cell from bursting under osmotic pressure. It is also as a protective layer that keeps out larger molecules, holds viruses and other bacteria away. It allows in small molecules such as glucose, amino acids, other sugars, things up to the size of small proteins. It allows waste molecules out. Because they have only peptidoglycan, even though it's a thick layer, gram-positive bacteria are more porous, especially to smaller molecules, than gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria can adjust the mesh size somewhat. Peptidoglycan is a marker for any other cell to tell that this is a bacterium. And so peptidoglycan is attacked by the immune systems of other organisms.